I've had this one actually before.
Cool.
Oh, wait a minute. Let me hear this. And what about this? This is cool, a little eBay game. But that is awesome.
Yeah. Is that thing on?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not filming you, so. But I film my my garage sales when I go find stuff. And...
Okay, well, I'm gonna cover my face.
Okay. How much are your video games? I mean, your Monopoly games?
They're $10.
They're $10 each?
Yes.
Are all the pieces here, do you know?
I don't know.
I've done really well in the past picking up Pokemon and Zelda board games. Unfortunately, they were missing a bunch of pieces and it wasn't worth the $10 to pick them up, so I decided to pass.
That's cool.
Get you this one, Bill.
Sport cards.
There's like totes full of them now.
Yeah.
Wow, the wind.
She's not a fan of her cameras.
What?
Not a fan of cameras.
I know. I heard that.
Yeah, that's cool.
I don't know if you want it for your collection.
Did you see the plushies over there?
Yeah, I got a couple of them.
That's cool. Yeah, I don't want that. I'm gonna pass on that. It's super cool though. Oh man, look.
Ew, mold.
Covered in mold.
This is like, oh, there. That's what it is. Nah.
Citizen King. These I would buy for
I think
free.
Roger's worth free, right?
Yeah, Roger's worth it. Kind of ugly. I mean, kind of ugly. You think Woody's worth?
For free if he's in good shape. Yeah.
Yeah. There's 9.
Oh, he's giving you 9.
Yeah, there's your singles.
So I can just
Thank
take
you.
one of those.
Are these your guys too here?
Yes.
They're 5 each.
The TVs are 5 each? How many do you have? Are they new?
That seems like a good deal.
Yeah. Oh yeah, these are good.
Are they?
Yeah. They have pretty good sell through rate on eBay as well.
Oh, okay.
So they usually go for like 30, between 30 and 40. Well, the people put these on boats. So like a boat TV and stuff that they're small, 5-inch.
Yeah.
All right, Sarah, I'll take both of them.
Thank you, sir.
$10. Great pickup, man. These, you know, look out. Those small boat TVs do really well.
Feels
This is
90s,
cool.
though.
This is like this screams 1990s.
I thought it screamed like the 80s. But that could be wrong.
Yeah. Have you sold any of these before?
No, thank you.
I've done a bunch of these. How much you asked on that?
That would be 5 on it.
Come here. You would think these are worth a lot more than what they are.
Oh, the Orby thing?
They're not.
Oh, video games. You spotted them. Keen eye you got there, Rod.
It's missing.
Are each on them?
Are these yours stuff over here too? These are empty cases. There's no games in them. Do you have the games for them?
I sold all that gaming stuff this morning.
These are
totes of it, so I don't guess I have the games.
gotcha. Okay.
Bill, I found your brother.
No, ain't my brother.
Would you sell the empty cases?
No, I give it to you.
Nope. Okay. What do you asking for that thing?
5.
What is it?
A bobblehead.
Yeah, I know it's a bobblehead, but like,
I don't know other than that.
all right, I'll give you $5 for it since you're.
I'm sure he's ugly. He scared my grandkids.
Here you go, sir. Thank you.
I thought this green goblin was going to be worth a lot more than what it's going for. I paid $5 for it. It only goes for about $10, so I'll probably just put it in my personal collection. I wanted to buy something though, since he gave me all those empty cases for free. Those empty video game cases are going to be worth $10 to $15.
My daughter was going to put it online, all
Yeah.
this and that.
It's a lot of
I
work.
had big totes full of Pokemon stuff, brand new, never opened.
Uh-huh.
I sold it all. So I got $200 out of that tote of Pokemon
Wow.
stuff.
You have no other Pokemon stuff? Nothing else? Okay. Oh, that's cool.
Isn't that crazy?
Is it bent?
It's like broken, but it's cool, man. I'm not even gonna mess with it. I don't think it's worth anything.
Yeah. It's called Clear Fire. I've done well with puppets in the
That
past.
dog one's a puppet too. That's
Yeah, they're all
puppets.
they're all puppets. Excuse me, what? How much are you asking for these? 25 each.
Keep an eye out for puppets when you guys are out and about. Puppets can actually sell for hundreds of dollars. These ones were only going for about 15, 20 bucks a piece, and he was asking $25 each, and they had stains on them, so I decided to pass.
The cuckoo clock? Oh, it's broken. This is cool, a little eBay game. Here are Nikes. Harley pin, ton of bike week, Harley patch in the back. An Arizona jacket. That's super cool. Is this your stuff? Couple questions for you. How much is the jacket?
It's 150.
150.
My dad, that's what my dad wants for it.
Okay.
He's 40 years of riding on it.
Yeah, no, it's cool. I saw all the patches from like 94.
Yeah, just the jacket is 150 online, but
Yeah.
I haven't researched any of that stuff he's done. It's pretty graphic for me.
And then the purses, like how much is the?
That one's 30.
Okay.
I didn't really use it, to be honest with you. It's the large tote.
Yeah.
You can.
Yeah, it's clean.
It's pretty. This one was more expensive than this one. This one was 400, but my granddaughter pulled, like I don't know what she did to it. It ripped the bottom. So somebody would just have to sew it, but it's a expensive bag.
And then what about this?
I'll do 30 on it.
30 in that one. Okay. And then.
Hey, how's it going this afternoon?
Good. How are you?
Good.
I'll work with you. What do you want? Make me an offer. Wait now.
Well, she's bad with that. Yeah, give me. I've already paid for the other stuff. I'm getting that.
Thanks.
Ma'am, how much?
This stuff up.
How much is this?
Yeah, it works. Yeah.
No, how much is it?
Make me an offer. I charged it up this morning. It's got two. It has another. What do you call it? The disc. There it is, right there. Your SD card. I've got one in there, but it works.
Yeah, no. Because what are you looking for? Do you think?
20. You do 20?
I'll do 10.
I'll take it.
Okay.
Yeah, whatever, you know. This is your day, dude.
Man, I could have said 5 then. Man, all right, now I know. And then she showed her cards out for the next deal.
Listen to you. Thank you so much.
No, thank you. I appreciate you.
Yeah, take care of yourself.
Yep. Yeah.
You know, those are for fly fishing, making flies. My son
Oh,
put
nice.
that up there.
How much is asking for that?
He killed me. I'm gonna have to say, when I pulled it up, it was like 68 bucks. I would have to say 15.
15 for it?
Yeah. That's his stuff. I can't.
Yeah,
I
no.
can't barter his stuff too much. I get in trouble.
I got you. I didn't know that's what it was for.
Yeah, I had to look to see what it was.
That's cool.
And then I recognized.
Throughout in the bedroom, there's some things.
Okay. Ma'am, do you know how much this is?
Yeah, that's everything with the Wii. Everything is in there.
Do you know how much you guys were asking for this? Oh, wait a minute. Let me hear this.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, never mind. I found it.
Okay. With that, if you're taking the TV too,
I did. I didn't want the TV.
Okay, for that, 200. That's with all of that and the.
Oh, you're asking 200 for the police system. Gotcha. Okay.
And less best offer.
Yeah, I wouldn't be anywhere near that. So
Keeping your cookbook.
they don't really go for. Would you be willing to?
Yes, I'm keeping the cookbook.
Okay, good. I got more than I need anyway. I just asked.
Would you sell the game separate at least?
I'd keep it all together.
Keep it all together, cause it. Hello. Good. How are you? Yo. Photo frame, $2. Why not? What is this? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yeah.
Is it, or is this yours, or is this yours?
Right there.
Okay. What's your price on these?
I have 40 on them.
You have 40 on them? Yeah.
You can do 30 though.
Okay.
All prices are negotiable. I don't think I got a chance to tell you as well. Everything on the trailer is $1, and the kids stuff in that bucket at the end is $1.
Okay. What kind of wiggle room do you have on that one?
And what's on it?
I think you have 30 on it.
Take 20.
You do 15? And if I buy this one for 32?
Oh yeah, we can do that.
Okay, perfect.
Got yourself
Oh,
a deal.
and I'll get this too.
Okay.
You got any more Disney stuff?
Those stamps are really collectible. Those are super cool Disney.
Oh, what are you asking? Oh, each?
$160 for all of them.
Okay.
Or they're individually priced in there as well.
Gotcha. Okay. Do you have any other, what do you have on this thing?
I'll take $1 for it.
$1? Okay.
You'll beat up on
So,
it.
yeah. All right, so 2, 3, 33, and that's what, 48?
Yeah.
Okay.
43. Yeah, you got it.
Is this from Disney?
Oh yeah, yes it is. They're from their local.
Oh yeah, when they ran the marathons.
Yeah.
What do you have on these things?
Might be a price on them. We'll take 5. Both of them for 8.
What were we just at? We were at 40, 48. Just do 55 for it all? That's 7.
Oh sure.
Cool.
Enjoy
Well,
these things. They're
yeah.
cool.
I mean, I've had this one actually before.
Cool.
So I haven't seen these other ones though. So super cool pieces. But that is awesome.
Yes, yes.
That brings me back to my childhood, so I had to pick it up.
Awesome.
All right, so you $50 bill.
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
Is this my box I can
Yes,
take?
yep.
I love your sign. You break, you buy.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Well, I guess you didn't write that then.
No, it was my husband, but still, it's a collaboration.
Oh, I get it.
But yeah, it's a good thing you
Yeah.
put it on there.
So my dad would always say, you break, you buy, I break, I cry.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Orange is that jersey? How much is your clothing?
The shirts were $1, the pants.
He says that all the time. That's true.
What is this? That's cool. How much else on that?
Oh, $5.
$5? I'll give you $5 for it. Make a little pile up here, maybe? Put it right here? Is that okay?
Something.
Found these here. What do you have on these? $1? Got any more?
That's what we got.
Gotcha. All right. I'll cash out with you guys. So I got $6 there.
Yep.
I absolutely love this series. And this is sealed. This is bringing good money. How much were they? $1 each?
They're pretty much $1 a piece. We're doing the Disney for 2.
Okay, can I just get those?
And then, like with the series, however many's in there. And believe me, he was, very particular about his DVDs. He never, they've only been in his machine and bought them brand new.
So how much are the box sets?
So I'm using here. So that one's 4.
Gotcha.
Sorry.
Even though it's the same, just the movie, they're just extra discs.
And then I have to wait till he
Okay,
gets here.
that's
And I thought
all right. That's fine. I'll pass on those then.
Okay.
Let's get these ones.
Did you need a bag for those?
No, I'm good. Thank you.
Thanks.
I just got that because of sun.
Yeah, I gotcha.
Yeah, they're too deep. They're only $1 each, man.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just looking for some horror movies.
Horrors?
Yeah.
I got horrors in there. Triple X.
Not horrors, but
I really do.
yeah. No,
so
like horror movies, scary
I
movies.
got you, man.
Yeah.
Whatever's in that jungle.
What the heck? You got any more wrestling stuff?
Just Hulk Hogan there. You can't get these, man. It's like overseas thing.
Yeah, it's just for Japan.
That's okay. Yeah.
Yeah. I wanted to wear them. No, baby, I got wide feet. I don't know.
I do $20 for the both. These things are like it's really retarded price. I can look it up on your phone. They go for like $75. The Hulk Hogan, that thing's like $25. $20, you get them both. I don't want to take it back because I got lots of stuff. And those are things you don't see. You know what I mean?
All Japan Pro Wrestling. You have another one with you?
No, I sold it, but I'm saying that's like just shows you that one's like $50.
Yeah, that's from 1989. That one's from 1997. I mean, they're not worth, that much. I was a professional wrestler, so
Really?
yeah. So I mean, they're listed online for like
I had
$20.
one just like that. I sold it for 20. It's 25 on that.
well, I mean that's NWA, so that's yeah, that'd be different. But this is All Japan Pro Wrestling.
They were going for like $50 though. The other one was too.
All Japan Pro Wrestling ones are listed right there.
$20.
Free shipping. Yeah, $20 free shipping. So that's the ones from 1997. I would give you 10 for it for the pair if you want to do 10.
I want 12.
I'll give you $12 for it.
Okay.
For those who don't know, I was a professional wrestler for several years, and the fact that I found an All Japan Pro Wrestling program from 1997 in the backwoods of Florida on a random highway sale is the weirdest and most bizarre thing in the entire world. Anyone else would have believed what he was saying. I have a ton of experience. I used to collect Japanese pro wrestling memorabilia, so I knew exactly what these are worth. I knew exactly, and when he told me it was worth $75, he was totally off on those. So they usually go around anywhere from like 15 like to $30 in that ballpark there. I've actually bought that for my personal collection, but the guy was super cool, even though he tried to sell me his porn collection at one point in time. One of my favorite things about these highway sales is finding those vintage items, especially those old vintage toys items. When I came across that G.I. Joe carrying case, I was praying that was filled with action figures, but it wasn't. Still a cool piece. I actually gave that to the Death Pile Picker because he's a big G.I. Joe guy. If you guys ever watch his channel in the back of his office, you'll probably see it hanging up in the background there. And that little box of Disney toys, I've actually only had the Mickey Mouse. It's a little Marx toy from the 50s, 60s, and I actually sold that one for like $35 last time I had it. So the fact I got 4 of those, I should do really well. That was the end of day 1 for the Flea Across Florida. Day 2 is 10 times better because we hit the community sales off the highway and we find a ton of stuff. So please make sure you like and subscribe so you can see that video here in the future. Until next time, guys, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.